So this is crazy because Claude themselves released this. Here you can see the official badge by Anthropic. So this is a insane way how you can save up to 50% of your basically Fable 5 Claude tokens. So here this Fable 5 will be the orchestrator that plans everything, and it will delegate the work to the Sonnet 5. So here you can see 3 different workers or more, however how many you want. And as you may know, Sonnet 5 is probably the cheapest model that they have. And here you can see most tokens are built at a lower worker rate because Sonnet 5 is much cheaper. And here is the second strategy where Sonnet 5 is the executor and Fable 5 is advisor on demand. Now I think this strategy is much better, and how you can implement it really easy. By the way, all the links will be in the description. When you scroll down here, you will see a GitHub link. And when it opens, here is all the code, all the data. As you can see when you scroll down, here is basically explain everything. Now the best part is you don't have to copy, you don't have to think. All we have to do is copy this link, go to Claude, select Fable and just paste this link. And what we will write, we will explain Claude to implement this strategy and use it every time. Basically, I run Fable 5 and start task. By the way, I already implemented this. That's why it will probably tell me that I already have this. But this is what you will do. And now this is the insane part. Every time you do this, here you can see, it will basically achieve 96% of the Fable performance, which is almost 100. But the cost will be 46 of the price. So basically 2 times cheaper, cut in half. If you use only Fable 5, it will be 2 times more expensive than it is now with using Sonnet as the workers, which is crazy. And after a few minutes, here is the result. Once installed, it loads in every session and kicks in wherever the task involves heavy reading or fan out. So yeah, that's basically how you can save 50% of your Claude tokens. This Twitter X link will be in the description, also with this GitHub link. So yeah, thanks for watching.